जय हिंद साथियों, एक अपडेट निकल कर आ रही है होमगार्ड विभाग की तरफ से। होमगार्ड खुशखबरी, होमगार्ड कोर्ट न्यूज। होमगार्ड के रिलेटेड एक कोर्ट वीडियो वायरल हुआ है। आप लोग उसे देखिए और कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए और अपनी राय जरूर दीजिएगा। और आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग वीडियो देख लेते हैं लेकिन वीडियो को लाइक नहीं करते। प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर दिया करें और अपडेट की तरफ चलते हैं। आपको बताते हैं क्या है पूरी अपडेट।
रिकमेंडेशन इज दैट अनेक वर्षों पूर्व भारत शासन द्वारा होमगार्ड को नियमित किए जाने की सिफारिश पर अमल किए जावे ताकि समस्त परिस्थितियों को दृष्टिगत रखते हुए इन सैनिकों को नियमित होने के अवसर मिल सकें एवं साथ ही उनको पेंशन, भत्ते, चिकित्सीय सुविधा, ग्रेच्युटी आदि सभी सेवा संबंधी नियमों का लाभ प्रदान किया जावे ताकि ये समस्त सुविधाएं और सेवा भत्ते उन्हें आरक्षक गण के अनुरूप प्राप्त हों अथवा यदि किन्हीं कारणवश होमगार्ड की सेवाओं को शीघ्रता से नियमित किया जाना संभव हो तो उस स्थिति में नया होमगार्ड एक्ट बनाने तथा उससे संबंधित नियम बनाने तक होमगार्ड आरक्षक को समान वेतन रूप मानदेय एवं अन्य वे सभी सुविधाएं एवं यात्रा भत्ते, गृह भाड़ा भत्ता, आहार भत्ता आदि समस्त भत्ते प्रदान किए जाए जो वर्तमान में आरक्षक को प्राप्त हो रहा है। अब नाउ द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द कमेटी दैट समिति ने नगर सैनिकों की वैधानिक स्थिति के संबंध में यह पाया है कि मध्य प्रांत एवं बरार होमगार्ड अधिनियम 1947 के विभिन्न प्रावधानों के अंतर्गत इनकी हैसियत स्वयंसेवी वॉलंटियर प्रकृति की है। समय समय पर विभिन्न न्यायालयों द्वारा पारित अपने निर्णयों में उन्हें शासन के अंतर्गत किसी भी सिविल पोस्ट का धारक नहीं माना गया है। प्रत्येक जिले में होमगार्ड की संचित रिजर्व बनाने का मुख्य उद्देश्य मध्य प्रांत एवं बरार होमगार्ड अधिनियम 1947 के अनुसार राज्य पुलिस को समय समय पर ऐसे स्वयंसेवकों की सेवाएं उन आवश्यक अवधि के लिए प्रदान किए जाने के लिए है जब तक स्वयं के संसाधन, कानून व्यवस्था एवं अन्य कार्यों के लिए अपर्याप्त हो। अतः होमगार्ड सैनिकों की इस वैधानिक हैसियत एवं उन्हें संचित रिजर्व के रूप में रखने का मूल्य उद्देश्य को ध्यान में रखते हुए समिति उन्हें नियमित करने की मानवाधिकार आयोग की अनुशंसा से सहमत नहीं है। फिर नंबर 6 है सर, इसी में वर्तमान में कानून और व्यवस्था के कार्य की बढ़ती हुई आवश्यकताएं होमगार्ड सैनिकों को दिए गए कार्य एवं आयोग द्वारा विचारित अन्य तथ्यों को दृष्टिगत रखते हुए वर्तमान में प्रचलित रोटेशन कॉल ऑफ की प्रक्रिया को तत्काल प्रभाव से पूर्ण रूप से समाप्त किया जावे ताकि सेवा अवधि में अवरोध एवं सैनिकों का बेरोजगार होने की स्थिति को टाला जा सके। अर्थात होमगार्ड सैनिकों को पूरे वर्ष कॉल आउट पर रहने की प्रक्रिया अपनाई जावे। इस पर रिकमेंडेशन है माननीय आयोग की अनुशंसा के संबंध में तथ्यात्मक एवं व्यवहारिक पूर्ण स्थिति के परिप्रेक्ष्य में यह समिति का अभिमत है कि राज्य शासन को विभिन्न जिलों में समय समय पर उत्पन्न होने वाली अतिरिक्त बल की अल्पकालीन आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति हेतु जिले में संचिति के आवश्यकतानुसार आह्वान कॉल आउट करने के अधिनियम के अंतर्गत शक्ति प्राप्त है, वह तर्क संगत होने के कारण बृहद जनहित में पाई जाती है। इसके अनुसार विभिन्न जिलों में होमगार्ड की संचिति रिजर्व से विभिन्न अवसरों में आवश्यकता अनुसार होमगार्ड सैनिक स्वयंसेवी का आह्वान कॉल आउट पर ड्यूटी लगाई जाती है। अतः विभिन्न जिलों में नगर पूर्ति के पूरे वर्ष 100% आह्वान पर रखने की मानव अधिकार की अनुशंसा को समिति सहमति प्रदान नहीं करता।
Nothing.
Yes, not. It was
Nothing. No consideration at all.
no, but this is the thereafter it traveled to
Consideration is statistics. This many force we have, we require this many hours of work. This is what we do. Nothing.
thereafter it went to the senior secretary committee committee and ultimately the state government approved it.
That is not the whole challenge is to that approval.
No, Malad, may kindly.
Has anybody considered how many you need, when you need?
Malad, it depends upon the district commandant or the state government time to time. Malad, I'm conscious with your lordship's question.
Mr. Ganguly, where are those facts and figures that in this month we required only this many? These were spare. So that is the exercise they had to do. Somebody suddenly says, call off. Neither here nor there. They don't have any figures before them. So they simply buy a stock up and say, all right, we'll bother. Why 10%? Why 2 months in 3 years? We're trying to understand the rationale behind this.
My submission to your lordship is that now the rules are in place, my lord. And
under challenge.
They are under challenge. So, my lord, whatever the situation available with the government, my lord, they are as per 90%. And roster maintenance is one of the question, my lord.
Mr.
Which,
Ganguly,
yes, I am conscious. I am conscious, my lord.
Somebody even bothered to consider this aspect, roster, placement, requirements, nobody could have challenged it. Apparently, that has not been considered by the committee. They've not even seen this is the sanction strength. Today we have this many. When did this meeting take place?
This is 2012, my lord.
Well, so they had at that time just started
Exercising, my lord, to frame rules. my
started
lord.
stopping the recruitment. 2010 was the last recruitment.
And thereafter in 2015, there is a recruitment of 3,000 persons, my lord. Those have been subsequently regularized. They have initially been not taken into a regular force, my lord. But after their demand, my lord, when there is a scarcity of the home guards, my lord, so they have also been merged.
Somebody
And
has to do an exercise.
there is a discrimination between two sets, my lord. So in 2022, my lord, we have come up with a rational.
Home Guard supplements whom? Police force.
My lord, for a limited person, it is supplementary to a police force.
Police. Now, do you have sufficiently staffed police force?
My
Or
lord,
you need more?
My lord, for police staff, my lord, there are various recruitment drives which have been taken place, my lord. So, my lord,
Mr. Ganguly, Mr. Ganguly,
I'm conscious
why-
with the fact.
Why this question came was,
Yes, ma'am.
in Delhi, I was part of a bench where we had looked at the enhancement in the strength of the police force in Delhi police.
Yes, ma'am.
So there was a requirement shown by the Delhi police of about 55,000 staff, and it took several years for some recruitment happening by the time the requirement further increased. So I don't know what is the position in Madhya Pradesh. Do you have enough strength or you need more strength?
My lord,
Always there is dearth with the
there
passage
is
of time, increase of
in every
requirement.
place, my lord, there is a
So
dearth.
then why do away with these people when they are supplementing you?
My lord, I may be permitted to say one thing, my lord, that in 2016 celebrated judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Uma Devi, para 45 and 46 specifically deals with the fact, my lord, that when a person is entering upon a contract, or he is a part-time worker, or he is a daily wager employee, whatever the name, my lord, we can give to a person, my lord, who is not being regularly inducted, my lord. At that time, my lord, he was very much conscious with the fact, my lord, that I am not a regular
Mr.
person.
Ganguly.
I am.
Mr. Ganguly,
Yes,
being
ma'am.
conscious of the judgment of Supreme Court, we had on the last date asked you, were they recruited through a selection process or at whims and fancies? And your answer was they were all recruited through a selection process.
My lord, that process is not a process, my lord, which is being provided under some statutory rules at that initial point of time.
We are not considering
The
regularization or declaration as a
the
civil
civil
post.
post holder, my lord, these
It
two
is-
things are
that- those
yes, my
things
lord,
are closed.
closed.
Up
Just
to the
call
Supreme
off aspect is
Only
there.
issue is call off.
Call.
Call off rationale, there should have been some statistics considered by the committee that we don't need this many people on a regular basis. There have been some statistics considered by the committee that we don't need this many people on a regular basis. There is no exercise conducted.
My lord, it was considered at an appropriate level, and 2016 rules are there, my lord. Now the validity is under challenge, my lord. My submission is that my lord, if at all they have
Validity
pleaded,
is tested on two counts. Ultra vires the rule making power.
that is not there.
That we'll consider, they still have to address. We're not opining on that. Then rationale of the rules itself, whether it is rational for the object sought to be achieved. So what is the object sought to be achieved? We don't know.
My lord, my submission is that there is absolutely no ground or no foundation in all these bunch of petitions, my lord. My lord, if I want to set up a case, my lord, and if at all I have set up a case, my lord, that in Delhi, Rajasthan, or any part of the state, my lord, country, my lord, there are some rules framed by the respective state governments, my lord, which is not in voluntary nature, or in which there is no call off system, my lord, and their salary or other emoluments are better than the state government, state of Madhya Pradesh. Per contra, my lord, my submission is that Delhi, Bombay, Punjab, Haryana, all these rules were.
आप लोग ऐसे ही वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना भूलें। फिर मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।